back sweep, balance 扣腿平衡，难度 B twist, aerial, slap kick, ball stance, cross stance, 江拼 flips, horse stance, ball stance, drop stance, empty stance, 收式。Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu Channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today radio, the 长拳 long fist. I got a problem for how we're training the long fist. So long fist original is combined with 划拳、炮拳、茶拳, many different kind 外家拳, external kung fu style mixed become 长拳. But those style in today wushu competition is getting lesser and lesser. I want to fight back some old style mixed with 长拳. Today my training goes how blending with other kung fu style. Let's find out. All the kung fu wushu competition, two men take a sword fight, using a lot of wushu and kung fu techniques. 八卦 against 形意 kick, grappling, beautiful takedown. 接力 wushu 套路 competition. 长拳 long fist. Clearly you can see 接力 use many of the technique like 划拳、炮拳 and 茶拳. Another wushu legend, Zhao Changjun. His long fist including many technique like 翻子拳, use the waist, bigger kick, butterfly kicks. 江拼地躺拳 technique, falling, kick up, falling, kick up. Very enjoyable to watch. And many technique is very useful and practical in real application. Hi my friend, which one do you like? The modern wushu or the old wushu? So the modern wushu for me is like water, like a crystal clean water, because the requirements is so strict to the basics of technique, like stances, like the palm, like the fist. You must be correct, very precise. It's very technical and very beautiful to watch. And the old wushu for me is just like a fire. It's very strong, very powerful, and the style is more freely. You can to add different kung fu style, and it's have much more content you can use from different style for kung fu and wushu movements. Nandu is a difficulty movement or tricks. Most of the nandu apply with the action of movement. Nandu are before or after that is look so connected, it's so powerful. So that's why I feel the old wushu more like a fire. The overperformance just like the rock to the sky, super strong. So both of this style, the requirement of a time for your do the form is 1 minute and 20 seconds. So for the modern wushu, because the requirement, the content is set, so your form layout almost set the same. The first section and second section mostly you have to do those requirements, especially nandu, because it requires a lot of energy. So you have to give all energy and focus for do your nandu. So you finish your nandu plus most of the requirements like balance, like other moves, your time almost halfway or even more than halfway, which is 45 seconds plus. So you only have a little bit time to show your own style with your own combo, creative combo. So it's not that much time and room to apply your own style and flavor of a movement. So that's why people are play safe. They don't do so much crazy or hard movement after nandu and required movement, because the more you do and more chance might get deduct if you make mistake. That's why those content from the old kung fu style is lesser and lesser. We're missing part of a good content from other style. But there's still a way we can blend in with a different kung fu style with a long face and to make just a little spark more brighter to make your form looks nicer and more powerful. So follow me with the tutorial, the daily kung fu training and tutorial. Let's go. The first combo I'm trying to do is adding 八卦掌 technique with the long fist to make a little spark and make this combo one more brighter. Let's go. 八卦掌 is very large movement, very fluent. I believe perfect movement can be mixed with a long fist. We cannot add so much content. As I said, there will be views that just look like, oh, this is not the style of a long fist, just more flavor and styleless. My plan, so I want to try to get long fist and hammer and quick to get this part. The first move I want to mix with the hammer fist, and after I will be transferred to 八卦掌, the bigger, large movements, and just move your waist fluent like a dragon, right? Or a snake, and come back with power palm. This again with slow motion, the hammer is your left hand and right hand cross. Left hand all the way, a circle, and your right hand straight up, like palm, straight, touch your ear. Or you can do the fist, and you make knee lift and boom, with the power. So hand right here, and your fist on the top. And same time, the technique, most people want to do much more power. That looks more tight, it's powerful, but not sharp, grateful. So always you have the loose up right here, and then you have the extra speed after. But very relax your shoulder. So loose up your shoulder and everything come together, that even more powerful. So this is the hammer fist. And so as soon you get this, you quick stop your left hand, stay your right side, and you make a big, large movement like a line and pull you and over your head, all the way, right side, and come back. Your left wrist, quick adjust right foot, and you make a step. At the same time, you push palm. It's a great combo, right? So let's see this. If we can make bigger and relax with the sharp and quick step, big, boom, sharp. Right? So I believe that's a great mix. So that is one of the example we can to using a different kung fu style to mix with long fist. The how to connect the next part is really optional. So today video I want to clarify this is optional form for wushu, means a creative form. So you can create whatever you want with movement, the form look like, but you have to follow up those requirements. Those requirements like a nandu, difficulty, or we call it trick. So you have to do that. That's a requirement. Also, you need to do the palm if this is a requirement, and the kicks and the stanches. Those things are never gonna be changed. But the order, it's up to you. You can to put very first move with the ball stance or the last. You can do your sweep right middle of your form. You can do jump earlier or later. Really, it's up to you. Just make the best form as possible and look as your form. Continue with this one, like this, bang, cross, and go boom, boom, a kick or something, like this. But we want to connect with a beautiful pose. Make this person like a beautiful, a precisely sharp moment in part of your form. Right? For this, so let's say you can something quick to another stance. This is called the cross stance. So if you do cross stance, this is also requirement. Your right foot have to be hand, and then you go sit all the way down. So this is no deduction. This is right cross stance. Push palm. Your left hand go back, and your right hand follows a straight line. Make half circle and turning this way. Come back your wrist. At the same time, your left hand become a 调掌, pick up palm. So just relax and straight with bang with the 调掌. At the same time must be and with your right hand at the same time. Bah, bah. Body move all in one. Your eye, your body, and your movement. Right hand and this way, and right hand and cross, and go down, and your left hand like this. The 调掌. If we put the whole thing together, the swing move, how's that look like? Right? Or open your hand, so you cross your hand. You cross your hand, you stay really tall and relax with powerful, and you make relax big. You push palm and relax your head. straight movement put together. I believe that that's a little good combo. It's have a wonderful, very important thing. You have always stretching your shoulders and relax your shoulders, make your movement range bigger and looks just so smooth with power like that. The palm or the fist, right? The shoulder, very important, always loose up. As I said, this is optional form, which means creative. You can to create whatever you want. You can do it differently, yes. For someone, also you can do boom, shah. So this is also beautiful pose, right? Open your chest with your palm, with your hard hand. Mostly the girls have a very flexible shoulder. You should to make a bigger move like this. And someone say, oh, my hand is very stiff, but that's good about creative form. You hide it. So you can do something even just so simple, really simple, just cross with your both hand. And that's just look nice too. For some boy, you like to pick some move simple but solid, strong, and cross hand. That's enough. That still work. And also even you can do something slower, because when you quick transfer stance to stance, also a risk you lose balance. For this, if you do so quick, you can be lose balance. But someone just like 1, 2. Okay, this is a beautiful movement. This is our performance. That is right for the form, and that is nothing wrong with what you do. So you can control your rhythm with this slow, or you want fast. Depends how your flexibility, how you control your balance, all kind of factor to affect your over performance. So try your best with whatever you can and whatever fit you to make your own form. So that's good about the creative form.